7 ways your body benefits from lemon water. 1. It promotes hydration. Water is the best beverage for hydration, but some people don't like the taste of it on its own. Adding lemon enhances water's flavor, which may help you drink more. 2. It's a good source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits like lemons are high in vitamin C, a primary antioxidant that helps protect cells from damaging free radicals. You've probably heard that vitamin C may help prevent or limit the duration of the common cold in some people, but studies are conflicting. Vitamin C may reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke, and lower blood pressure. 3. It supports weight loss. While the same results need to be proven in humans, anecdotal evidence is strong that lemon water supports weight loss. Whether this is due to people simply drinking more water and feeling full or the lemon juice itself is unclear. 4. It improves your skin quality. Vitamin C found in lemons may help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging, and damage from the sun. How water improves skin is controversial, but one thing is certain. If your skin loses moisture, it becomes dry and prone to wrinkles. 5. It aids digestion. Some people drink lemon water as a daily morning laxative to help prevent constipation. Drinking warm or hot lemon water when you wake up may help get your digestive system moving. Ayurvedic medicine says the sour lemon taste helps stimulate your ani. In Ayurvedic medicine, a strong ani jump starts the digestive system, allowing you to digest food more easily and helping to prevent the buildup of toxins. 6. It freshens breath. Have you ever rubbed a lemon on your hands to get rid of the smell of garlic or some other strong odor? The same folk remedy may apply to bad breath caused by eating foods with strong smells, such as garlic, onions, or fish. 7. It helps prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. Citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and may even break up small stones. Drinking lemon water not only gets you citrate, but also the water you need to help prevent or flush out stones.